and free women that can also collectively bring us together. And because when you think of women being raped or beaten, yung body nila, yung katawan nila, yun ang nagiging prison nila. So the form of dance is a form of breaking free from that oppression.
Globally, merong 1 bilyong babae ang makakaranas ng karahasan. So parang hindi parang sa kababaihan hindi kami papayag na maging ganito. Kaya parang mahalaga itong araw na ito para to end nga wakasan yung karahasan sa kababaihan.
അതിക്രമങ്ങൾക്കെതിരെ സ്ത്രീശക്തി ഉണർന്നു. ബ്രേക്ക് ദ ചെയിൻ എന്ന ഗാനത്തോടൊപ്പം അവർ കൂട്ടത്തോടെ ചുവടുവെച്ചു. കണ്ടു നിൽക്കുന്നവർ എന്തു പറയുമെന്നോർത്ത് അവർ താളം പിടിക്കാതിരുന്നില്ല.
Events planned today on the occasion of 1 billion rising, an idea that took shape in Eve Ensler's mind, and finally it has actually transcended across the globe. Over 190 countries taking part in this, in fact an attempt to end violence against women and also stop supporting anyone who actually perpetuates it. I'd like to ask you, what makes you a part of this? We've talked about violence, we've talked about patriarchy, we've seen so many protests in Delhi over so many months. But today is just again symbolic, and it's probably the beginning, not really one day to do it.
Yeah, we are part of this ongoing process. It's not that just today, but we want to make use of the opportunity of this 14th February, which is the Valentine's Day, to spread the message of peace and to say that it's enough is enough. And there should be no more violence against women, and nobody should keep silent. They should raise their voices. So it's that not only the women, but it's all young boys, men, people, old people. They are rising today to stand against violence against women and say that we will tolerate no more violence against women.
So in fact, it's not just for women, it's also men who are taking part. And events like these, you're going to see them happening not just across Delhi, but across the country and across the globe. So from the Queen of the Rio Carnival to the Queen Mother of Bhutan, everyone has actually supported this movement, and it's perhaps time for you also to strike a pose, shake a leg, and be part of this 1 billion rising group.